Shvetambari has written, Namananansti, sometimes intensity or spontaneity is too much of experience. It is difficult to deal with that much of intensity. Actually, there is no problem. It is all about your perception. Spontaneity means spontaneity, remaining spontaneous. When you are spontaneous and living in spontaneity, so you let the things happen in their own way. You don't impose anything. So if there is intensity, there is intensity. You simply accept that intensity. So if intensity is happening and you feel it is too intense and it is difficult to deal with that much intensity, so first thing, accept that intensity. It is happening through your body mind. It is will of totality or the way of totality as it wants. So whatever is happening, let it happen. Soon you will realize, soon you will see that you have to do nothing. So if you ask about any methodology, how to deal with this situation, you have to do nothing. Remain spontaneous. That is the meaning of spontaneity. It can enhance quality of your life, quality of your body mind health. But our habits, they come in the way. We think that it should not happen in this way. It should be like that. It should be like this or that. This attitude is real hindrance. This attitude of should or should not is the only problem. So I don't see any problem when intensity is too high. If it is too high, it is too high. Accept it. And this too will pass. Life is always in a flow. It is flowing. Nothing is permanent. Even too much intensity is not permanent. Lack of intensity is not permanent. Many things come and go, but deep down within, you remain same as a witness, as a non-doer entity. So best way to deal with all this situation, let the happening happen. Remain detached observer.